Hi, Redeemer friends. Grace and I decided today to use some of our palm branches that we picked up from church
and make these little crosses
to make some palm crosses. So we found a tutorial online that tells us exactly how to make it. It's really pretty easy. So we're gonna make one on this video, and then we're gonna post the link to the tutorial in the comment section of this video so that you can try to make some yourself. So if you've picked up your palm branches from the Memorial Garden at Redeemer, then you have some of these you could work with at home. Okay, so Grace and I are just going to follow the tutorial and try to make another one. We've made a few, but we're gonna try to make one for you on this video. Okay, Grace.
Okay, for the first step, you're gonna fold it down and try to find the halfway mark, and then you can fold it. I don't know if you can see it, but you can fold it that way, and it will have a little triangle.
Yeah, we're gonna make a right angle.
Yeah, right. You don't want. When we tried left, it got mixed up.
Right, so it's got to be in this direction.
Right there.
Okay. And so you bend that, crease it.
Yeah, crease it. Should look like this.
And then we're going to bring this piece.
You're gonna bring the bottom piece
up,
forward, and up.
Okay.
Just like that. Just like this.
And then the top piece comes back down.
Behind.
Folded down.
Just like
behind.
this. Just like this.
We're starting to see our little square in the middle.
Right there.
Okay.
This is what it should look like. Next, you're going to take this piece and fold it back.
Around back.
So now it should look like this.
Ooh, and now we've got a tricky part.
You know what's coming, right?
I do know what's coming next.
I took a notch of it.
That's okay.
So you're going to put this part. There should be a little pocket inside here. You can try to find it. And you're just going to slide the end of that through this. Like that. It should start to look like.
Mine's having trouble coming through, Grace. Just like, okay, here it comes.
Sometimes it won't come through. But you gotta like find where it
And you pull it all the way
There's
through.
that fly.
Yeah.
The fly just flew
We've
by.
got a
He's
fly.
like, hey, what you guys doing?
Okay, so you got to pull it all the way through nice and tight so that you've got your square right here. Okay?
Oh, wait.
This one pulls nice and tight.
Oh, yeah. I thought we were making the cross one. You're going to pull that nice and tight. Sorry, I just forgot about this. So this has to go through all of it again.
Yeah, so you just follow step by step.
And you're going to crease it.
And then you're going to, remember? You're going to fold this forward.
Forward and inside this little pocket.
Bring it back through.
But you're not going to want to pull it all the way. You're just going to pull it a little bit so it has this little loop right here.
We're going to make the arm of our cross.
And then you can crease it if you want.
And then this pulls around back and goes back into the slit.
Mine's always short. I don't know why.
And then we've got this nice long piece right here that we're going to bend backwards. And
should look like this.
What we figured out is these palm branches are pretty thick, so you may have to crease inward before you can tuck it back through your slit at the top. So you can tuck it in.
So you might have to, just fold it in like that.
We'll crease it there. And then when you flip it over, we'll see if Grace has hers finished. You do. Grace has a cute little cross.
Then you flip it over.
And Grace has a pretty cross.
Yours is prettier.
Well, I'm going to cut some of the little strands that hang down. And you can even trim up the bottom of it a little more if you want. And it makes a really cute palm cross that you can use to celebrate Palm Sunday. We'll keep some of our long branches to wave tomorrow, but then we'll be able to have some of these palm branch crosses to keep. And you can wave these too. So we hope you make these together as a family.
If you are wondering, mine always have a bigger square and like shorter of these. And look at hers, they're so small square with like big.
Well, the thing is that they all look a little different, and that's okay because each palm branch looks a little different. So anyway, happy Palm Sunday and have a wonderful Holy Week, friends. Bye.